Welcome back to another episode of Excel is Easy with Nav. This is tutorial 11 of our Excel learning series. So far, we have covered some basics such as how to enter data, how to format data, etc. We have also covered a few functions such as sum if, average if, unique, minimum and maximum function, and edate function. If you have not watched the first 10 tutorials, then please do so. Also, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any update on this channel. Let's get started then. We covered edate function in tutorial 9, where we talked through how an edate function can help you calculate the maturity dates for loans, all with different maturity periods. Today, we will be covering EOMONTH function, which, as the name suggests, stands for end of month, and therefore the function will return the last day of a month. You would say, why do we need to calculate the end date of a month? Well, imagine you're calculating due dates for loan payments, project deadlines, or billing cycles. These usually end on the last day of a month, but manually adjusting for different month lengths can get messy. EOMONTH handles all that, no matter if it's February, April, or December. Let's say you issue an invoice today and payments are always due at the end of the following month. Using EOMONTH, you can easily calculate the exact due date, without worrying if next month has 28, 30, or 31 days. Let's see how to use this function. The EOMONTH function needs two pieces of information. First, a start date. Second, the number of months to move forward or backward. In the given case, our start date is 28th of April, and the credit period is 1 month. So, our due date for the payment will be last day of May. Now, if I change the invoice issue date to 1st of April, the due date will remain same because the payment is supposed to be made at the end of the following month. But what if your invoice payment due date is the first day of the following month? That could be tricky with EOMONTH function, but here is the trick. In your EOMONTH function, you will have to reduce your number of months by 1 so that the function get a last date of a month just before your due date month. And then in the end, when you are finished with the EOMONTH function, just simply add 1. There you have it. Now remember, if your due dates are either start or end of month, use EOMONTH function. Otherwise, use edate function. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment if there is anything I can help you with. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe button so that you don't miss my daily updates. I will see you in the next video.